The final thing that we're going to look at is how to use your calculator to do a lot of this for you, because half the test permits the calculator, and it's really helpful as a shortcut. Also, there are some problems that simply can't be done analytically or using algebra. You have to do them using the calculator. So, on the calculator, to find the numerical derivative, you're going to go to Math, 8, which takes you to the command n deriv. So you're looking for that. And here's what the entry is going to look like. You're going to have n deriv. I'm just going to open parentheses for you. Then you're going to enter the expression followed by the variable followed by the number. So the expression is the original expression. The variable is just whatever letter you're using over here. Normally it's x. And the number is the value you want to take the derivative at. So for example, let's just use the same problem that we used right at first in our notes. We're going to find f prime of 2 if f of x equals 3x squared minus 4. And we've already done that, so we know the answer that we should get should be 12. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out my calculator. And I'm going to go to Math, and then arrow down, number 8 is the n deriv. So the function that I want to put in is 3x squared minus 4. So I'm going to type in 3, then my x is right here, squared is right over here, minus 4, comma. I'm going to put in my variable, which was x, so I'm just going to hit x, comma, the number I want to evaluate it at. I wanted to find f prime of 2, so I'm just going to put in 2 right there and close the parentheses. Then when I do that, voila, I get 12. The one downside to this, although it's a very powerful tool, is it will only give you answers in decimals. So let's say we wanted to do the second one that we had originally right here, find f prime of 2 pi over 3 when f of x equals cosine x. We can do that, but it's not going to give us the same answer. It's going to give us a decimal. We just have to check and make sure that that decimal is the same as this number here. So let's do that second one. Oh, here's our answer. F prime of 2 equals 12. Yay! Our second one, if f of x equals cosine of x, find f prime of 2 pi over 3. First thing you want to do is make absolutely sure your calculator is in radians, so go to Mode. This radian should be highlighted. If it's not, arrow down to radian and hit Enter. And then second quit will bring you back to the main screen. So we're going to go back to Math, that button right there, 8, and we're going to put in our cosine of x. Our variable was x, and then we wanted 2 pi, the pi button is right there, 2 pi divided by 3. Close up parentheses. And so that gives us negative 0.866. If we want to make sure that our answer back over here is right, we're just going to have to put in negative square root of 3 divided by 2. Look, it gives us the same thing. We're getting the same thing out. So, what I want you to do for a check for understanding is I want you to do the same problem that we did for the check for understanding problem right over here. If h of x equals 2x squared over cosine x, I want you to find the derivative when x equals pi. Go ahead and try that one on your own. Start the video again when you're ready. Pause the video now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Math 8. I'm going to put in 2x squared divided by cosine of x. My variable is x, and I want to evaluate it when x equals pi. When I put that in, I get that h prime of pi is negative 12.566. If I come over to my other problem, I got the exact answer of negative 4 pi. Let's check and see. Negative 4 pi gives us the same answer.